Samsung Galaxy J3 Orbit versus the Moto E5 Play. Speed test. Stay tuned.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
So on both of these devices, you can see that I pulled up CPU-Z, and with the Samsung Galaxy J3 Orbit, you can see that we have an octa-core processor. It's clocked at 1.35 gigahertz. It has the Mali G71 for the GPU. I have 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs internal storage, and then the device is going to be running Android 8.0 security patch of September 1st, 2018. Now with the Moto E5 Play here, you can see that we got a quad-core processor that's clocked at 1.4 gigahertz. It has the Adreno 308 in it, 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs internal storage, and it has Android 8.0 on it as well, with security patch of February 1st, 2019. Now when it comes to the Antutu benchmark scores, you can see that in a J3 Orbit we got a 73,634, and on the Moto E5 Play we got a 39,709. And with the Geekbench scores, you can see that on the J3 Orbit we have a single core score of 977 and a multi-core score of 3,292. And on the Moto E5 Play we got a single core score of 650 and a multi-core score of 1,828. So if you're not familiar with my speed test videos, I do a series of app opening tests on each device to see which device opens up the applications faster. And afterwards, I do a RAM management test, and that determines the winner of the test. Sounds cool? Let's get started. So the first application we're going to open up here is the Play Store. So 3, 2, 1. That looks like it goes to the J3 Orbit. Next application we're going to open up is YouTube. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the J3 Orbit again there. Next application we're going to open up is Instagram. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the, it goes to the J3 Orbit. Took that one there. The next application we're going to do is Facebook. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Moto E5 Play. Next application we're going to open up is Twitter. So 3, 2, 1. A little laggy here in the Moto E5, but that went to the J3 Orbit. Next application we're going to open up here is Spotify. So 3, 2, 1. It goes to the J3 Orbit there. Next application we're going to do is Best Buy. So 3, 2, 1. It goes to, oh man, that was a tie. I'll give it a tie there. Next application we're going to open up here is Netflix. So 3, 2, 1. It's a pretty big app. Okay, I don't know who to get that to, but I'll give it to the J3 Orbit because it brought up the account faster on the J3 Orbit. Next application we're going to open up here is Twitch. So 3, 2, 1. Looks like that goes to the Moto E5 Play. So now that we got the app opening part of the test out the way here, what we're going to do here now is the RAM management test. So let's get that started. So the first app is Play Store here. So 3, 2, 1. They both held that in the background, no problem. Now we're gonna do YouTube, held by the E4, or excuse me, held by the E5. Instagram was held by the E5. Facebook was held by the Moto E5 a little bit better. Twitter was held by the Moto E5. Spotify was held by the Moto E5. Best Buy was held by both devices. Netflix was held by the Moto E5. Twitch was held by the Moto E5. So you can see that the winner goes to the Moto E5 Play, and the only reason I say that is because the RAM management was done better on the Moto E5. You can see that most applications that were open on this device were held in the background, while on the J3 Orbit, they opened up a little bit faster on some of them, or a good amount of them, but they didn't hold too well in the RAM. It could be the launcher, and it could be eating up a lot of the RAM, so that could be causing some issues there. Nonetheless, Moto E5 Play takes this one here. So that's going to be the end of the video. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and share it with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It's just not true. But until then, thanks for watching this video. My name is Max Rock. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.
Yeah, nurse strap.